If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To add custom fields to the basic purchase order form if you use purchase orders for inventory, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu. In the Account and Settings window that opens, click the Expenses button in the menu at the left side of the window. Then click the Purchase Orders section to the right to edit its settings. To enable purchase orders, toggle the Use Purchase Orders switch to the On position. To then enable custom PO numbers, click the Custom Transaction Numbers toggle switch to set it to the On position. If set to the Off position, QuickBooks Online uses sequential PO numbers instead. To add a default message to purchase orders, type it into the Default Message on Purchase Orders field. To save your changes, click the Save button in this section. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click the Cancel button instead. To then add a custom field to a purchase order, click the Purchase Order section again to show its settings. Then click the Custom Fields link in this section to open the Custom Fields list. Then click the Add Custom Field button, or click the Add Field button in the upper right corner if you created custom fields already, to then open the Add Custom Field pane. Then type a field name into the name field. To add the field to purchase orders, check the Purchase Order checkbox. To print the field on purchase orders, click the adjacent Print on Form toggle switch. When finished, click the Save button in the pane to save it, or click the X button in the pane's upper right corner to cancel creating it. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.